Somebody tell me what factoring is. What are factors? Somebody tell me what factors are. Jackson? Yeah, numbers we multiply to get a product. So yesterday, as a quick review, let's see, today is expression operations. The good thing about this lesson is it's not anything new, okay? It's a compilation of things that we already know from this chapter. We're just putting them together, okay? So yesterday when we did factoring, let's say I had something like this, 12x minus 20. If I wanted to factor this, okay, what's something, Trey, what's something that goes into both of these? 4? Okay, and 4, is 4 the biggest number that'll go into both of them? I think so. So if I put a 4, I have 4 and then I have parentheses. Okay, 4 times what gives me 12x? Class, 4 times what gives me 12x? 3x. And 4 times what gives me negative 20? Negative 5. Now, the way that I know that I factor this completely all the way is if I look here, what's the only factor that these two have in common? 1. So did I do this one correctly? Yeah. Okay, good. That's a quick recap of what we did yesterday, right? Now, what we're doing today, does everybody have that written down? Can I erase that? Okay. What we're going to do today is we're going to combine some steps, okay? We're going to combine the distributive property. We're going to also combine like terms, and then we're going to factor. Okay, we're going to do all three of those things, okay? I only gave you 10 problems. You're welcome. So let's take a look at what I mean by that. If I have this expression, let's say I have negative 2 parentheses 4v plus 5, and then outside the parentheses I have minus 2v. Okay. And if I told you to distribute and simplify the expression, then factor completely, what do you think I should do first here? Somebody give me a suggestion. What should I do first? Levi. Yeah, I'm not going to do anything with that yet. Okay, so I can bring this down. Can I go ahead and get rid of these parentheses? The answer is yes, I can. So I'm going to separate these terms. Okay? When I say distribute, what does that mean? I'm going to take this what? It's negative 2 and distribute to everything inside these parentheses. What's negative 2 times 4v? Negative 8v. What's negative 2 times positive 5? Negative 10. Now, I look at this, okay, can I combine anything here? Can I combine negative 8v and negative 10? Can I combine negative 8v and negative 2v? Yes, and if I do that, what do I have? I have negative 10v minus what? 10. Okay, the three things you're doing here. Did we distribute? Did we distribute? Yes. Did we simplify? What's the last thing? We're going to factor completely. Okay, so we're going to factor this. Let's look at these two numbers. Okay, what's the biggest number that goes into both of these? What? 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 Oh, we can do this all day. What? Come on, quit being so positive. Thank you. Negative 10. Okay. All right, because negative 10 goes into both of these, right? So I can say negative 10. What do I multiply negative 10 by to 10 by? What do I multiply negative 10 by to get negative 10v? 1v, or just what? V. And what do I multiply negative 10 by to get negative 10? What kind of 1? Positive 1. Okay. Have I factored completely? Yes. Okay. How many of you understood what we did there? That's not that difficult, is it? Okay. Let's try another one. Let's try another. Remember, we're going to distribute. Does everybody have that written down? We're going to distribute, and then we're going to simplify, and then we're going to factorify. All right, peeps. Try this one. 6 times 2n plus 7 plus 2. Okay. I need to simplificate this. What do I do in order to simplify this? I gotta distribute. So am I doing anything with this 2 right now? So what do? Put it down. Alright, now I need to distribute. What's 6 times 2n? 12n. What's 6 times positive 7? Plus 42. Now, can I simplify anything here? Can I combine these two? They're both positive, but why can't I combine them? Because this has a what? Has an n. Can I combine these two? Yeah. So I have 12n plus 44. Now, let's look for something that goes into both these. Do we want to get any number that goes into both, or do we want to get the biggest number that goes into both? Okay, the greatest number. So I could try 12, but what would be the problem with 12? 12 goes into 12n, but it doesn't go into what? It doesn't go into 44. Okay, even. So let's try another one. What about 4? Does 4 work? Let's try 4. Okay, so if I do 4, 4 times what gives me 12n? 3n. 4 times what gives me positive 44? Positive 11. Now, Audrey, do you know how I can be 100% sure that this is factored completely? Okay, well, we're going to look in these parentheses. Okay? What is the only factor that these two have in common? No, the 3 and then the 11 inside the parentheses. 1. And when I have the only common factor as 1, I have factored completely. Did we distribute? Did we simplify? Did we factor completely? Yes. Okay, did that make a little more sense on that one? Good. Let's try another one. Try another one. Me too. I got lots of them. Is yours about this? Okay, go ahead. Didn't you see I boxed my answer? Why are you asking me this? Oh. Yes, please. That would be great. I'm not going to count it wrong if you don't, but it just makes it easy to find the answer because there's so many numbers in here. All right, you guys try this one completely on your own. Let's see if you get it. Shh, don't talk. 8x minus 6 times x plus 2. Try this one. When you get it, raise your hand. We've done this before, lady. Guess who's going to help me? My name rhymes with floppy. Nope. You are the one. So, Audrey, am I doing anything with 8x? But I need to bring this down, right? Yes, thank you. So 8x, okay, Audrey, negative 6 times x. Negative 6 times x. Thank you. And negative 6 times positive 3. Now, can I combine anything here? I distributed, so I'm good there. Can I combine anything? 8x minus 6x, what is that? 2x. Okay, did I simplify? Yes. No, I don't know what you guys are talking about. You guys are seeing things. Okay. Now my next step is to factor. Audrey, give me a number that goes the big. What is wrong with your 8, Audrey? You need to fix that. Oh, that's a beautiful 8. Okay. What's something that goes into both of these? The biggest number that goes into both of these is 2. Okay, 2 times what gives me 2x, Audrey? And 2 times what gives me negative 18? What? Good. How many of you got that correct? Kate. Too much talking. Do we need to do another one, or are you good to go? Okay, one more. Okay, fine. Whoever is going to help me with this one names with quadrant. All right, here we go. Try this one. 6n plus 4 times 3 minus 6n. Try that. Remember, go through each one of these things. Distribute, simplify, factor completely. Okay, so we did all 3 of the things that we're supposed to do.